story to tell, said to stop you if I'd already heard it. I knew a couple words in, let you go, 'cause I knew you preferred it. And I like this.
Good morning, everybody. Today it is September 1st. I woke up in literally an automatic good mood today. This month is my favourite month of the year. I wait all year, all summer for September. It is my birthday in 2.5 weeks, so it is my birthday month. And also, it is officially autumn. Today everyone is now posting and they're like, today's the first day of autumn, and I'm like, guys, I've been in the autumn spirit since July, so I am ready. I literally have my pumpkin pillow here with me. I'm holding as I'm talking to you guys right now. I am so excited for September and all that is to come this month. I'm going to be locking in with my fitness this month. I started back at the gym yesterday and I'm going to go today as well. In today's video, I really wanted to film a September vlog, kind of just bring you guys along with me today on September 1st and do a huge reset. I need to deep clean my room. I'm also having a sleepover tonight at Jess's house. I really want to vlog that as well, so I thought I could also put that in this video. We're also going to be having, I'm pretty sure, like a autumn sleepover. We really want to bake, film, take cute content. We've also got the same pajamas. I think it's going to be cute. As for me today, I woke up a little bit later just because I've been up super early the past few days. I woke up about half an hour ago. It is 10:30 right now. Separate my laundry, put the laundry on. I'm gonna deep clean my room, spray down my sides, organize everything and do like a deep declutter. It's time to lock in, get things done. It is September 1st. I'm in such a good mood already and I've got a good feeling about this month. Full playlist. Okay. You look so pretty and I love this you. As you guys can probably tell,
we're a little wet.
A bit torrential rain. I'll put the video in. But we just ran for probably 20 minutes in the rain.
Probably, and the rest.
And it like started out trickling. And then it just started like...
We even bought an umbrella.
Failed us. Really failed us, really. But we went to Tesco's at first. Nada. And I was like, Sainsbury's definitely has something. We found the cinnamon swirl kits. So good. So yum. I cannot wait to get out of my clothes, like literally.
Oh, bro. My Uggs are done.
Cook Jess's Uggs. They are not supposed to be that colour.
Maybe I got some dry anyway. No, I don't. Well, I don't think mine are going to survive. I'm going to be so with you.
You can literally see the, they are sticking to my thighs right now. And my waves are coming out of my head.
Look at the waves. She's a mermaid.
I'm a natural wavy girly. We are now back at the house. This time we've been showered, haircare done, skincare done, and now we feel like new girls. Check out the PJs. Oh, Bear's got his...
Bear's got his little pumpkin ball.
He's like, let me be in the vlog.
He wants to be part. He's got FOMO. Abby's, come on.
Say hi.
Say hi.
He's ready for autumn himself. He's got his pumpkin ball. Check out our pajamas. Well, actually, these were intentional.
Oh, yeah, these bits, yeah.
These were. But our hoodies, colour and socks. Unintentional. Oh my god, my knees killing me. I feel like you're gonna like the first one there.
Okay. I'm so chill with anything, girl. I like that.
Okay.
crossed my path. And I know that you'll always have my back.
We're in Roth right now in Cardiff and we're just taking some Instagram content, and honestly so far I'm actually really obsessed with how they're coming out. I'm wearing a brown tracksuit today and it's been torrential raining all of yesterday. We literally got caught in the rain last night, as you guys saw, and it was raining this morning and now we're all good now. But look at the leaves. I am surrounded and I couldn't be more happy about it. It's September 2nd. I'm just happy. Look how pretty this park is. And look at all of the autumn leaves. I cannot believe it's September. It really actually feels like September now.